Hello, today I am showing you my huge coconut oil and Epsom salt haul. So I buy my coconut oil at Big Lots. If I can get the big containers, this is the best deal I have found, bar none, from anywhere. If they don't have those, I get the littler ones. Not quite as good of a deal, but still the cheapest anywhere I've seen. I have checked all the soaping supplies places. I have checked Walmart, all those places. Big Lots is the cheapest place that I have found. Well, this last weekend, Big Lots had 20% off. Yes! On top of their already great prices. So I went and stocked up. I got 100 pounds of coconut oil and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one not here. 40 pounds of Epsom salts. So I got the Epsom salts for $2 a bag for 4 pounds, so 50 cents a pound. And I got the coconut oil. Are you guys ready? 9 cents an ounce. Like I said, best price I've ever seen. Where I didn't have to buy like 150 pounds in these huge blocks. I can't manage huge blocks. I don't have a special soaping room, so I need something that I can move around easily. 9 cents, good deal. So if you guys need coconut oil for your soap, run to Big Lots. It's usually the best deal that I found. Even on Amazon, buying it by the gallon, it's still not cheaper. Calculated it. So anyway, just thought I'd share my haul with you. I'll see you guys later. Bye.